of the rainbow. Red is the color of apple so sweet. Of roses in gardens, a lovely tree. It whispers of courage, of love so bold, a story of warmth in hues untold. Orange is the color of the setting sun, of juicy oranges, bright and fun. It speaks of laughter, of energy's glow, a spark of joy wherever you go. Yellow shines like the morning light, the buzz of bees in flowers bright. It teaches us to smile and cheer, a sunny reminder to keep joy near. Green is the color of leaves and trees, of grassy fields and a cool fresh breeze. It sings of nature, of growth, of peace, a gentle promise that life will increase. Blue is the sky so wide and clear, the color of oceans we hold dear. It tells of calm, of dreams that soar, a place to wonder, to learn, explore. Purple is the color of magic and kings, of violets and crowns and royal things. It whispers of wisdom, of dreams so high, a color that reaches the endless sky.